Pumpkin. Told you no. No. No.
This is what
I said no.
This is what the gripe is about my ice cream cone. She keeps trying to come over. Look, watch.
No. I said no. No. Pumpkin.
Oh, look. She's hiding her little face.
Pumpkin. I said no. Can't have it. You can't have it. But you can't have it. I said no. You can't have it. I said no.
Oh, please. Oh, please.
But you can't. No. I said no.